a new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Hello everyone and welcome to the world according to Jason. Today I am in Akihabara and I'm here to continue the battle of the Konbini and see who has the best onigiri.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
Alright, so I went to all three of the major Konbini chains and I picked up a Tuna Mayo Onigiri. I wanted it to be fair, and those are the ones that are my favorite type. So let's see what we got here. We'll start with Family Mart. So here's Family Mart's, and after tax it was 155 yen. So I think, yeah, this is the most expensive of the three. So hopefully it's also the most delicious. And I love all of these have really innovative packaging where it's super easy to get it out of it, and it keeps the rice separate from the seaweed so it doesn't get soggy. So you just pull on tab 1, then you pull away on tab 2, and lastly you pull tab 3. Oop. This one did not come out quite as easily. It's still not bad. All right, let's give it a shot. Mayo is nice and creamy. I like the crispiness of the seaweed sheet. The rice is nicely cooked. It's pretty good filling to rice ratio. All right, next I think we'll step on over to Lawson. And this is the smallest of the three. And this one, it's also the cheapest, consequently, and it's 135 yen after tax. But I think Family Mart set a pretty high bar right out the gate, so it's gonna be tough to beat. All right, let's go in. Right off the bat, the seaweed wrapper is a little bit more fishy, stronger fishy taste than the other one. It's more rice than filling as well. You can see there's not a lot. Yeah, so far a lot less filling than the Family Mart one. It gets a little bit better as you get further in. I'd say this one's just okay. Family Mart was definitely better. I just noticed that there's, I think, a cat cafe right next to me. There's some kitties in the window. It says Cafe Moth. I'll have to check that out. All right, last but not least, we have 7-Eleven. And this one was almost as expensive as the Family Mart one. It's 151.2 yen after taxes. This one kind of seems like the pillowiest, the softest of the three, but let's see how it is. No! The pigeon tried to come up. He wants some food. So I think right off, like, first impressions, Family Mart is like by far the leader. This definitely has more filling than the Lawson one, but it's not as flavorful, at least right now. Maybe I didn't get much in the first bite, so let's keep going. Definitely more filling there. They have more mayonnaise in the filling than the Lawson as well. Maybe a little bit too much mayonnaise. I don't know. Let's keep going. No. That pigeon is really aggressive. Okay, he just flew away. I don't know if you saw that or not. He came up on the bench a couple times. Yeah, I think I've already made up my mind. I know which one's the winner, and you probably do too. The filling was like super heavily weighted to this one side, and it actually makes this part a little bit less enjoyable because it's too much mayonnaise, so it just overpowers everything. Well, folks, I think the winner is obviously going to be Family Mart. They had the best like distribution of filling. It wasn't too mayonnaisey. The nori was nice. The rice was nicely cooked. Everything was perfect about it. So they definitely do justify having the most expensive. I think in a distant third would be Lawson, and then somewhere in between would be 7-Eleven. So the moral of the story is that each convenience store chain will do something better than the others. We learned that the egg salad sandwich is the best at 7-Eleven. The Tuna Mayo Onigiri is the best at Family Mart. And I'm sure Lawson does something good. We just have to find out what it is. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit that like button. Also make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell notification so as soon as new videos pop up, you'll be the first to find out about it. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.